Hey guys, welcome back to another Tkinter tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be talking about the third way to use a geometry locator in Tkinter. Basically where you put location on the widgets. We're going to be talking about the place method. And this is one of the hardest ones out of the two we already learned. Alright, so this time I'm using a button, but we're not going to be talking about buttons. We'll be talking about that in the next video. So right now I just have it just for purpose of our tutorial. We have pack. You have to pack it and put it somewhere, and now you would get the obvious a button in the middle of the top screen, like this. Now we're gonna use place to do some other cool stuff with that. We're gonna do B, which is the name of our button, dot place, and two parentheses. There's a couple of different attributes you can put here. Let me talk about the most simplest one: height. Wait, I'll set it to 100, and the width. I'll set it to 100. Now we get this pretty cool big square button. So that's pretty good. Then we could talk about X equals, say, 500, and Y, which equals 500. And you get this button in X 500 and Y 500 pixels. As you can see, this forms a square here, so we know it is. Now there's another way you can do the real height and width. You could do rel. And what this does is it's a float between 0.0 and 0.1. That's the fraction of the height between the parent widget. And the parent widget is root. So basically what place does, it gives it a location or an identity in the parent root. So because we set the parent root to root when we created the button, just the way we do in the labels, we're going to do it here. So this applies to root only. So the real height can be 0.5 and 0.5. And we get this very big button down here. This is half the screen. It's pretty big so you can see it. And now let's do real X and real Y to do 0.5 and 0.5. Run this. So now this is halfway in the screen. You could probably see that. And this takes up half the screen. So it's a pretty big button because it's what we set it to in the place. Now there's another way we can do this using border mode. What border mode does, it has two options, inside or outside. Is it inside the parent widget and it ignores the borders completely? Or is it outside the parent widget? So the inside is the default, so we're not going to test that out. Let's test the outside widget. So it doesn't do much. This is because we have to have certain attributes for the border mode. There's actually a place you can go to get the attributes and look at them. You can go to this site called Tutor's Point, and they have the tkinter place method. Now, if you scroll down in this link, you'd see the anchor, the border mode, the height, the width, the real height, the real X, and the X and Y. The only thing we didn't talk about is anchor, because I don't like it that much. But height and width and X and Y are very simple. So is real height and real width if you're trying to put it proportionate to the parent widget. And border mode kind of goes with anchor. So this is it for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe. And in the next video, we'll be talking about buttons and how to make our buttons more customized and better. After that, we're going to be talking about attributes. Attributes as in to make color on our widget and make it not just a simple old gray screen, but actually a really good, cool attributes. And it can be color and it'll be really cool. And then we'll begin to work on our tic-tac-toe game and start get a gauge of those functions. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.